vision and mission statement. What is vision of Marzoli and what are your plans as far as Indian textile industry is concerned?
So Marzoli is in the business of manufacturing textile machinery since 1851. So now we have 170 years of, you can say the know-how, experience. And since 1999, the company is owned by Kamosi Group. And the vision of the group is become one of the 5 top players worldwide and the reference point for the manufacturing industries, production, developing, producing, and servicing components and systems for the automation of the production process.
Mr. Balasubramaniam, I think Marzoli came into India many years back. I think Navamarashtra Mills in Maharashtra, that was their first installation, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
It was an 100% EOU.
Yeah,
it was an 100% EOU. And the entire yarn was, sold in Europe. It was a very successful installation, and it is still working. It's still working. And of course, and also we have in Raymond's, in Century, we had the core competition in making a fancy yarn for denim, and also the course counts. So even today, recently also about 5 years back, we sold a project in Maharashtra in the name of Sara Spintex, where they have the complete line from blow room to ring spinning from Marzoli.
Right.
But of course, as I said, I was working with Lakshmi and Rita, and the competition was a very, very strong competition for anybody to stand by, with terms of price, return on investments and everything. And naturally, it was very clear that they couldn't manage the price reduction. They came to India. In fact, I have, in my career itself, I have seen Marzoli roving frame made in Mysore and sold to customers in India like Hero Fibers. That time it was called Hero Fibers. Now it is Nahar Fibers. So they had a manufacturing facility in Mysore, but somehow the cooperation did not go further because again, Mafatlal Engineering, Texmaco, Textool, Lakshmi, they were all strong local brands. And the management of Marzoli also kept on changing. So since 1999, you can say now, last 21 years, it is stable.
How was your experience during pandemic, and what measures you have taken to take care of the problems which you have faced?
Pandemic has thrown up a lot of challenges, new challenges. And of course, there are also, we have taken it as an opportunities to learn and do business differently. So I would say yes, this pandemic has impacted us very well, and our customers also denied on the visits to their locations, and demand was very less. So I would say till March 2021, we did not have a single order from India because we were mostly dependent on the exports from India. Export orders. To conquer this tough time, we have focused on working approach internally and with customers, and followed some of the keys which are well known. Of course, first we had to keep a close watch on cash flow management because there was no flow of cash, but there was a flow out. So we had to be very careful with the cash flow. Cost cutting, we have not reduced a single penny nor retrenched anybody because they are all powerhouse, you can say, and we have almost 99% of our employees are engineers, skilled. So within the given situation, we did the cost cutting, or we reduced anybody's salary. Then choose technology. So that's also was very careful in choosing which technology is to be adopted. Then create local supply chain. This was another big challenge to have a supply chain management and customer sustainability and a clear differentiation and competition. So
Okay.
these are some of the areas where we focus.
Mr. Balasubramaniam, in business, sometimes you have to take very hard decisions. So, in your career, which decision was very difficult to take, and how you have cope up with the situation? So, how was your experience with exhibitions, especially with ITME exhibitions? Since how long you are participating for various companies, and how is experience of Marzuli in ITME Society's exhibitions?
I am associated with the India ITME Society since beginning. You can say from 1977, and it was a coincidence that the company in which I was working in 77 after my college. Now the exhibition is held in the same complex. So it was just another area near the factory. So you can say since then I am associated with the ITME Society.
That's really great. In fact, Mr. Balasubramaniam, thank you very much for your time. 4 decades of your service into spinning industry of Indian textile industry has done you have given complete insight how things have happened, and I'm sure that people like you would be milestone for people who would be coming new into this industry. Thank you very much for your time given to India ITME Society, and we look forward for a great association even in future. Thank you very much.